Skilt makes it easy to monetize your knowledge and learn anything. Meet Katie. She's a content creator on Instagram with a ton of followers. In using the AI roadmap generation tool, Katie's able to generate a course so that her followers can learn how to draw exactly like her. And so the tool, you can choose different options like learning mode, goals, you can choose content style, time commitment, and you can also add additional notes so that the course builder is able to follow her preferences exactly. And so hitting generate, it's going to take a little bit of time to think. And what this is going to output is a skill tree that essentially serves as a course outline in which her students can explore to learn how to draw like her. And so there are different nodes, and it makes exploration super easy. As a creator, Katie also needs to be able to have a way to upload her own content. So she's going to head to the micro lesson editor and try to create a new micro lesson. So she has a video on her YouTube that she wants to use. And so what she's able to do is to create a micro lesson and then just paste in a YouTube video link, and it's going to self-populate. And then what she's also able to do is also share that and make it public. And so once she saves the sharing settings, this lesson will be available to everyone to see. And so scrolling down, it's publicly viewable. And once the micro lesson is created, she can head to the skill tree, find the correct node, and then link it. So here you can put in the name and then click link. And then what that will do is put the card that she just created into the skill tree, and it's going to be searchable from this panel. And so as a user, you can also create your own skill trees from scratch instead of just searching up what's publicly available. And so say you have an interest in dragon art, then you might just start completely from scratch there. And so double clicking the node brings up a menu, and then you're able to dynamically grow your tree by hitting the generate subtopics, which essentially gives you a bunch of recommendations for further things to explore, thus allowing you to dynamically grow your skill tree by just following your natural curiosity. And instead of just having AI recommend you stuff, you can also grow the skill tree yourself by adding subnodes based off of topics that you're interested in. For example, I want to have a node on how to draw a fighting stance for a dragon. And so generating a new node, you can see that it popped up there. And then once you're in there, you can also explore further subtopics there, but also just use the generate feature to give you some learning content as well as some exercises that you might be able to do to like practice this particular skill. And so scrolling here, you see that we now have two generated new cards. One's on lesson content, in which you can open and see what the content is, and the second one is an exercise in which you can actually practice.